guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be sharing a few things that I like to do during the winter and the colder months. But before we begin, please make sure to be subscribed to my channel as well as hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a video. First, I'm going to start by brushing my hair so that there are no tangles and apply the oil from the bottom to the top. So that way, when you're applying the oil to your roots and when you flip your hair, the hair does not get entangled. So the oil that I'm going to be using today is the homemade oil. It is the curry leaves infused oil. Let me know in the comment section below if you're interested in knowing the whole oil recipe as well. Make sure to apply a generous amount of oil to the roots and just take that time out to massage it really well into the scalp. Next, I'm going to be making a hair mask, which is a DIY deep conditioning hair mask, which is very easy and very effective. This hair mask is just made of two ingredients, that is the curd and the neem powder. Add 1 cup of curd to the cheesecloth and hang it to a height so that all the water from the curd is separated. Otherwise, the water will run down after you apply the curd, and in no case you need that. Trust me on that. Just add around 2 tablespoons of the neem powder and mix well, and there you go, you have your hair mask ready. Now the curd here is going to help you get the healthy, silky and smooth hair. It also helps in reducing the dandruff when used on a consistent basis. And neem, on the other hand, is known for its medicinal properties and is very effective herb in treating for the hair loss. It has an antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties, which is why I would highly recommend you guys to just give it a try. And I'm going to apply this from my roots till the tip of my hair and just leave it on for at least 30 to 40 minutes and then rinse it off as you would normally do in the shower. Now moving on to the skin treatments. In my opinion, cleansing is a very important step in the skincare. Whether you're wearing a makeup or not wearing a makeup, it is really important to cleanse your skin before you begin to use any of the skincare products so that you can have a clean slate before you begin. The cleanser which I'm using here is my all-time favorite Cetaphil cleanser, which I have been using for ages now, and if you have an acne prone or sensitive skin, I would highly recommend you to give this a try. So I don't use the face mask every single day, but once or twice a week I would like to use a face mask, and this one is from Body Shop, the Japanese matcha deep pollution clearing mask. And make sure to check the description box below so that you can get all the products linked down. This face mask is a 2-in-1 face mask which has a minute particles in it, which also helps in mildly exfoliating the skin as well. Once I'm done applying the mask, I'm going to let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with a warm water. For my hair, I'm currently using the shampoo of ginger from Body Shop. Although I'm not a very fan of the ginger smell, but this shampoo has really good reviews, which is why I decided to try this out. These are the gloves or the mitts which I like to use with my body wash, and is a great way to exfoliate your entire body. Once I exit the shower, I'm just going to use my PIXI rose oil onto my face and I am done for the day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button and check out my last 2 videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!